Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python. Today we are diving into Booleans in Python. Now don't worry if you have never heard of Booleans. Basically Python only wants you to answer yes or no. That's it. True or false. Simple, right? Even easier than deciding what to eat for lunch. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to use Booleans to make your programs smarter, cooler and less confusing. Now the real fun begins. We can compare numbers or values and Python will give us true or false. Let's try some examples. Let's say a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5. Let's use some comparisons. print a is greater than b. print a is less than b. And print a is equal to b. And print a is not equal to b. Now if I execute the answers, we will have true, false, false and true. Now here the first one is a is greater than b, which means a is 10 and b is 5, so obviously a is greater than b, we get true. And second one is a is less than b. In that case it is false because a is not less than b. And the third one is a is equal to b, which means we are comparing two values, not assigning values. So when we compare both values, the answer is obviously false because 10 is greater than b. And the fourth one is a is not equal to b, which means a is not equal to b. So obviously both are different values, so we get a true answer. All right, now we can combine booleans using and, or, and not. This is where your programs become intelligent. Let's say, for example, x is equal to true and y is equal to false. Let's do some operators. Print x and y. Print x or y. Print not x. If I execute them and remove this for a while and execute them again, here it means we got false, true and false. Here and means both must be true. If one fails, whole thing fails. And or means at least one must be true to get the whole answer true. Not means flips it like magic. True becomes false and false becomes true. Try thinking, if I'm sleepy and hungry, do I want coffee? If yes, then true. If not, then false. Now let's make our booleans do something that what makes them useful. So I'll be using booleans with the if statements. Now let's say, for example, my age is equal to 18. And I say if my age is greater than equal to 18, I will print you can vote. Or else print wait a few more years. If I execute the code, there will be a syntax error because we don't have to use space between them. Now let's execute the code, and you can vote because age is 18, and I have done a condition that if age is equal to or greater than 18. Let's combine multiple conditions here where it gets fun. For example, say age is equal to 20, has ID true. Now say if age is greater than equal to 18 and as id, then print you can enter the club, else print sorry, no entry. Both conditions must be true for entry. No age, no ID, no party. You can also return booleans from functions, making your code reusable and neat. Let's define a function first, and we will say is even, and we will give a parameter, and we will return number percentage to equal to 0. This is a formula to return an even number and differentiate even number from odd. So we will print is even and we'll provide some even number to it, and then provide an odd number to it. So we'll get first one will be true and second one will be false. That's it. Let's do some small challenges to make this interesting. Think of these as mini games. We will create some login check. Let's say, for example, username is equal to admin and password equal to 1 2 3 4. Now let's say we'll use if username equal to admin and password is equal to 1 2 3 4. Then what will we do? We will print welcome, else we will say print access denied. Let's execute the code, and we got a welcome. That's because we have provided right username and login to it. And that's a wrap. We have learned everything about booleans, true, false, operators, if statements, and even functions. And we will do these examples in real details in the next coming chapters. Try these examples yourself and challenge your brain. Python is like magic once you get booleans. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Maybe something even crazy like lists, loops, or dictionaries. Keep coding, keep smiling.